This is a Transformer review of Ratchet and Starscream. And we're going to start with Starscream. And I really like about him is right here and on the wings and in the back and right here. But that cannot go right there, so his feet and his legs are like that.
Okay.
Here's his hands right
Hold
here.
him up so we can see him.
And here's some
And
wings.
hang on, let me see him again real quick. And that's, what mode is that?
It's jet mode.
Okay.
And here's some wings in the back, and here's some wings in the front.
Okay.
And I'm sorry because they have no weapons on his hands.
Well, where'd you get that?
Well, I got it from McDonald's. It was the same day it was after I got Bumblebee from McDonald's, and I got the Bumblebee, so we gave it back to them, and then we got Starscream.
Oh, okay. Alright, are you going to transform him?
Yeah. First, you pull this down, turn his head around, and you pull his feet up, and then you take his legs apart.
Okay, let's see. Cool, that's a pretty cool little transformer.
And look in the back, in the front, look on the bottom right here.
Now, is that Starscream from the movie?
No, it's from the cartoon. It's animated Starscream.
Okay.
And this is animated. This is animated too. Here's his tool.
And what's his name?
His name is Ratchet.
Okay. Alright, you going to show us Ratchet now?
Yeah. Right here. Starscream. Alright, now here's the Autobot face. Here's the lights. Here's the... I just call them little mountains.
Yeah, it's the rescue symbol, huh?
Yeah. And right here, and here you can open it. See his hands.
Okay.
And now, this is how you transform him. Is do this. Pull that up, you'll see his hands. Take his hands apart. Put this down. Put these in his hands. Okay, and then see his feet right here. You flip them out. Okay. Now you see this. You lock it in. And then you do these. You flip them up. And then take these apart. Then you put these back in. Then you pull his arms out. Same on the other one. Little trouble. And as soon as you do this, head pops
Oh, wow, his head pops right up.
Yeah. And you can put all of his tools in the back, but it's kind of tricky. You can put some. Well, I'm going to put the hammer in his hand. I'm going to put this one and the three others in here. There's little things right here and you put these down straight and you put them on. Just don't force them on. You just put them on and then I'm gonna put this one on and then hammer in this hand.
Okay. It's hard for them to stay on there, huh?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna put the hammer in back here. This is a wrench, this is a hammer, and this is a shovel. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know what it is. put this on this hand and see this and see this. See the thing that gets this one out. See this right here. Oh, I'll just do this. Oh, I'll just put his legs together. And okay, you do this, and then it does that. Then you put it in his hand. See this right here? You put it right there, or you can put it right here like that. There you go. What I really like about them is right here. So if you get locked down, there's a little engine that can go right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. Looks like a pretty good review.
Yep. Transformers, more than meets the eye. Autobots, Decepticons, go!